Jenna, sorry, I'm gonna have to cancel our plans today.
Are you kidding me? I rearranged my whole schedule for you today.
What did you have to do?
First I had to wake up 30 minutes earlier. Then at 2 p.m. I was supposed to file my pinky nail.
Okay, well, when are you available?
Well, I don't know. I mean, let me see, because I have a very busy schedule this week. Let me just see. So, tomorrow's not going to work because that's National Donut Day. It's a tradition in my family. And Wednesday's not going to work because that's National Kiss a Dog and Post it to Instagram Day. Got to participate in that. It doesn't look like I'm available until Saturday after the Turmeric Spice Parade.
What's turmeric spice?
I'm Indian. It's a tradition in my family. You wouldn't understand it. Okay, so, sayonara.
That's Japanese.
Arrivederci.
That's Italian.
Samanaha.
You're not saying words. That's not a language.
You know what? You're actually keeping me for some things I got to do right now, so we can just wrap this up.
What do you have to do?
Well, it's National Push a Bitch Day. Excuse me. Sorry, I don't have to.